Hey guys, Mason here with Carns Equipment. Right here we have a 2007 Kawasaki Mule 610. Now this is a four-wheel drive unit. As you can see, it is fully enclosed. You do have a tip-out windshield, LED light bar on top. That way if you're doing any hunting or you doing anything outside really, or if you're plowing, you can throw that light bar on and get some better lighting. Now the enclosure is a zip up, which is actually pretty simple. And then as you look on the inside, it is pretty standard. But if you were looking for something decently priced, that has a bed, runs as soon as you turn it on, stops, goes, everything of that sort. You're not looking for something big. You want to haul your trash cans down to the end of your lane or do some yard work around the house. Honestly, this would be a perfect option for you. Pictures, videos don't do this thing justice. Come take this thing for a test drive at Carns Equipment or give me a call at 814-765-5684.